I think Ed and Colleen did a fantastic job with rocking in the pond, and they just finished doing all the gravel. Now it comes to step 9, which is washing down all the rock and gravel. This is actually a really important step, especially as you come in here and look at how filthy this gravel is that we've got. This gravel has got a lot of sand, a lot of dirt, and everything else over it. Now we could just fill the pond up and let everything cycle through the filter, but it could take almost 2 weeks for something this dirty to actually get crystal clear. You'd also at that point want to be cleaning out your filters probably pretty often in that first week. What we like to do is actually rinse it down and pump a lot of that dirty water out. Now there's a couple options when pumping out the dirty water. One of the easiest options is to just use the pump that comes with the kit. So this is our high efficiency Eco Wave pump that comes with the kit. There's all kinds of different fittings that come in the box with the pump. Here we've got an extra fitting on here where I can take the leftover chunk of pipe from my biofalls to my skimmer, simply throw this back on top there, put this down into the bottom of the pond, rinse this out, and continue to pump this dirty water out until it pumps out clean. Now, because we don't have that much pipe left and I would get everything really, really muddy here, another option is to use what we use on a daily basis, and that's using a clean out pump. This is specifically designed to actually drain the pond down really, really low. It comes with a great flexible hose and about 50 feet of pipe, which in this case is really important. So we can pump this water all the way out to a drain. In your guys' case, it would be out to the front yard or a sloped area of your lawn where water can run off. The other big advantage to this clean out pump is it pumps water down to within a 1/4 inch of the bottom of the pond, where this one's only gonna pump water down to the top of the pump. So this will get everything out really, really quick. So we'll go ahead, throw this down in the bottom. So as we rinse this off, we always start up towards the top and work our way down towards the bottom. So I'll come up in here, get all of this stuff out, allow that stuff to move down to the deepest part of our pond. Once I get about 6-8 inches of water in there, I can plug in my pump and drain this down. The other thing I really like to do when rinsing it down is come in here and kind of move this gravel around a little bit. Kind of like putting the gravel in a little washing machine. Move it around, agitate that, get all that sediment out of there. Once this area starts draining clear, then I can move it over to this area. Do the same thing. And you're gonna continue to do that around the pond. Now, no matter how much you sit here, you could spend 2 hours rinsing this pond down. No matter what, when it fills up, it's gonna fill up a little cloudy. It's gonna get even a little cloudier when we turn the waterfall on. The idea is we just don't want it to take weeks to get crystal clear. If we can get it rinsed down to the point where it takes a day to 2 days to be crystal clear, we've done a good job.